Okay everyone, so one thing that I can do with this pond to start getting this thing going is adding some organic life, and for that I mean plants and wildlife. Hopefully today I can get some pickerel rush and some lily pads and add some snails in here as well. I think that that can really get things going as well as help the cycle with this pond. I still have to find a way to coordinate all of these rocks into a waterfall. As you can see, I have some over there too. Not really sure which direction I'm going to take that. The bamboo, I do want to eventually be an overhang, but I'm going to have to trim down and measure everything. So the plan on that will probably be about 15% of the pond covered on that side. That'll just act as shelter for the fish because I will be eventually breeding in here. I'm also going to get a solar powered pump and run the cord out here, so I'll get all the evening sun and I'll have filtration and water movement. I could probably even incorporate my waterfall in with the section here with running the cord out there, so I think that will actually work out pretty good for me. And then over here, this is just going to act as runoff or plant grow out, whatever the case may be. I'm not really sure yet. I could do a waterfall over here as well, or something similar going under the shelter, but I figure at this point that's too complex, and with the design and the position out here in the woods, as you can see, that wouldn't be good for getting the sunlight. And I have also noticed some bees and other insect life gathered around the water and in the water as well, so that's good. Things are moving along well. I think that our seal has finally worked out on the bottom for us. It's just going to be a matter of the sides holding up. It's taken about 4.5 months to naturally seal, and all I did was clay, leaves, straw, dirt about 5 times, and then it would rain, drain out, refill, rinse and repeat. Naturally sealing a pond isn't going to be easy, and you're not going to be able to do it overnight. It's a thing that's going to take time, but it can be done without a liner. You're just going to need one that's big enough, deep enough, and a proper setup on the bottom for sealing it. The sides and everything else will happen naturally. Again, it's all an overtime thing. Patience, 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 which I don't have much of.